And there's so much study behind this. Here's what I would say, and this is really interesting to me, that you work in the schools. You know, in the state of New Jersey, I was reading this. They intend to have I think it's require at-home testing on a weekly basis from kids. They want testers coming to your home to test your kids.
Yeah.
Are you opening the door, Leo, when the testers walk in and they're, hey, we're here for our weekly visit to shove a 3-foot Q-tip up your kid's nose right up against their brain? Are you going to open the door? Come on in, kids, time to get the brain probe.
Yeah, not in my home.
Something strikes me as not. I would think not. Leo, I appreciate the
thing that I have to worry about is I have to send my kid back to school, which I will not, but I still have to go back to school to work, which the risk, I think, is still there. But, you know, I hope that the science works, and I hope the statistics work, you know.
How old are you,
Thank you
Leo?
very much for my time.
Okay,
I am 44.
Leo, well, I'm really, unless you're obese and have some underlying health problems, even in that case, it's very rare. I hope to put your mind at ease. People dying from COVID under the age of 50, Leo, it's a 0.005 death rate. You're far more likely to die driving to work or walking across the street. And look, I'm not a doctor, but I've said this so much. I just hope to put your mind at ease. I appreciate you calling Rush's show. It's Todd Herman filling in for Rush Limbaugh. It's 800-282-2882. There's so much to get to in the show. In fact, there's this. Coming up, Louis Gohmert. There's trolling on Twitter. Louis Gohmert, he's ended trolling. There could never be trolling again. He just redefines trolling in a monumental way. He's challenging the Democrats in a way that all of us need to get behind. It's a way to speak freely as conservatives and do something to the liberals that they're really going to do to us. We'll talk about that in a second. Todd Herman in for Rush Limbaugh on the EIB Network.
You're listening to the EIB Network. Use Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
You know, most home security companies try and trap you with high prices and tricky contracts. Simply Safe is different. They provide you with all you need to protect your home with none of the drawbacks of traditional home security. Professional monitoring keeps watch 24/7, ready to send the police, fire, or medical professionals if there is an emergency. It starts at $14.99 a month. Head to simplysafeusa.com. Get a free HD camera with your purchase. That's simplysafeusa.com.
I am Robert Strickler. My wife Joyce and I have been married for 53 years. We have been blessed with 6 children.
I've been taking
July 13th.
Fill the bucket.
Lay off
players.
Oh, get it.
this evening here on WCR.
Critical that you have a plan on.
All right. Faster, easier, clean.
Been doing.
Well, it also
Here's Taliban Sinfonia Spirituosa, Reinhard Goebel and Musica Antiqua of Cologne.
Democrat friends to defend that. Ask them to explain it. And we'll get back on Rush's show. We're going to talk about something called malicious compliance. And I think Louis Gohmert has this nailed. It's incredible term. It's Todd Herman in for Rush's Law on the EIB network.
Is always at work. And the EIB Rep Chuck McDowell, founder of Wesley Financial Group, talks about timeshare cancellation.
If I could help everybody that's been lied to with buying a timeshare, I would. But the honest truth is, I can't. And those that are telling you that they can without